Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys, sound and vibration setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on guys vibrate mode in our Samsung phone device, and how can we use Samsung phone vibrate mode setting guys. Friends, you want to on guys your Samsung phone vibrate mode, so how can you on and how can you use it? Today guys I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friend, first of all open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see the stove setting in your Samsung phone device. So friends, click on guys your phone sound and vibration setting. Friends, you can see your sound and vibration guys. You can see your vibrate mode. So we will tap here to for vibrate mode. As you can see, vibrate mode will on, vibrate mode icon will show on status bar, and friends you can see vibrate mode is on. So friends, like that we can set vibrate mode setting, and guys you can say you can on your vibrate mode in your Samsung phone like that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.